we have here is for the car. And what is it? Oh, the days of those days. This is called the club. Remember them? Well, we have a warning sticker that we peel off. Find a spot to stick it on. Place on the car's window. You get a set, not one, not two, but 3 keys. Parent device that has Velcro. A couple of straps, a plastic cap, and this little pin here. Put a little cover on it to protect it. So it acts as not just one thing, but 2 things. Alright, so it's got a whole bunch of things. It can't come out, and it opens up nice and wide. Your steering wheel, the deterrent device, can be seen at nighttime. So what you want to do is make sure your stick is visible to the top so you can see it clear at night that you have a club on for your protection. This is where the key goes in, it turns, and it locks into place. It goes on the steering wheel, very easy. It locks, and now I can't get it off. I don't want to close my door because this is the wrong way and I'm locked in securely. I still can turn my wheel in case I need to move, but it gives just enough movement there. It is excellent to grab, it's comfortable and soft, and it's very visible indeed. We'll show you a shot at night what it looks like. It prevents people from taking your airbags, and it prevents people from taking your car. You take the self-adhesive, you take the stickers, do your best to place it in on here. It protects your steering wheel when you put it on. It gives it some cushion. It's nighttime and you want to be able to see the club visible in your car so people know that they stay away from your steering wheel. It shows nice and clear, as you can see. When all done, just close it up, put it away underneath the seat, on the side. If you wanted to prevent your car, the steering wheel like so, you could put it there. There's a lot you can do with this little Defender club. I'm guessing it goes over there, so this way, in case you ever want to break a window, you can break it. I hope you enjoy your deterrent for your steering wheel, for your cars, whatever you want to protect. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.